Hey guys, Mitch here. In this video, we'll be showing you some of the top iPhone 5 lock screen themes. I highly suggest you watch the entire video as it will show you how to edit the themes. So if you want to change Apple's lock screen from this to one of these, stay tuned. Now that you had a glimpse of all the lock screen themes, I'm going to show you how to edit the weather, the hour time, and the degrees. So after you have your theme invoked, normally the camera button or camera grabber will still overlay on top of your lock screen theme, and it can look like a cluster. Springtomize, which is a paid jailbreak app, will allow you to disable the camera button by just enabling it within the settings, and after a quick respring, you will notice that the camera button will no longer be there, allowing you to see the nice lock screen on your iOS device. Now there is a free version known as No Camera Grabber, which is a different Cydia tweak, which will do the same premises by just removing that camera grabber from iOS 5 and iOS 6, and after you have installed that camera button will be gone. In addition, some themes might have conflicts with the slide to unlock bar at the bottom of your iOS device. Now you can remove this by going into Cydia and downloading Slide to Unlock Killer, enabling it within Winterboard, and after respringing, that slide to unlock bar will no longer be there along with the text, allowing you just to see the nice lock screen. Some themes look better without a date and time displayed on top of the lock screen theme. Now a jailbreak tweak known as Clock Hide is available for free in Cydia, and its premises is allowing you to disable that date and clock appearance so that just the theme is on top of your lock screen. Each lock screen theme allows us to change the current location to display the correct temperature for our zip code and changing the date from a 24-hour period to a 12-hour period. So you want to go into iFile. It is a free shareware jailbreak app, and within it you want to browse for the root directory of var, scroll down to stash, and then you want to head into your themes folder here. Now this is where all of the themes will be displayed. Now, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and select your current theme that you want to change, and inside of it you will see some folders followed by some pictures and the lockbackground.html. You want to go ahead and open that up with the text viewer. Now this is where all the code will be to display the time, the hours, and all that good stuff. So what you want to do is, since everyone is different, you want to look for where it says var local and then a code, and then underneath that var is Celsius. Now those two things allows us to change our weather location and from degrees Fahrenheit. So you want to head onto your device, go to weather.com, and at the top put in your zip code or whatever location that you want for that temperature to be displayed. So I'm putting in my hometown here, and then at the top of the URL you want to go ahead and select it, and the last few characters should be a little code here. Mine begins with USP. Select that and then copy that to your clipboard. Now once that has been copied to your clipboard, you want to head back into iFile where we have that var local and replace the existing numbers with that copied clipboard that will show the current location. Make sure it is in the parentheses. Then, if you want to change it from Celsius to Fahrenheit, where it says var is Celsius, change that true value to a false value. Now, if you wanted to display Celsius, you would keep it true, and then if you want to have it in Fahrenheit, you just want to write false. Make sure you have it spelled correctly, and make sure that you do end the code, save it, and then respring your device. And then you should see now we have our correct temperature at 24 degrees under there. Now underneath there, the hour format is still displayed in that 24-hour format instead of that 12-hour format. So to change this, go back into your HTML and view it via the text viewer. And then since every lock screen theme is different, you want to find one that is similar to the one that I am scrolling down to about line 415-ish. Here you will find something that says convert the hours component to 12-hour format if needed, and it says current hours equals current hours is greater than 12. Now that 0 needs to be changed to a 12, so go ahead and select it, backspace, add in a 12 so that it says current hours minus 12, and then go ahead and save it, respring your device, and now instead of saying 1435, it now says 235. This is another lock screen themes code. As you can see, it's quite similar with just the local, so you can change that to the weather location, the Celsius to Fahrenheit, and then the real feel will show what it actually feels like outside than the displayed temperature. Now, if your theme does come with different background images, such as this one comes with a total of 3, as you can use them and use the image viewer to actually see which ones you want to add. You can change the actual background image to the ones that are displayed inside the folder. So head back into the HTML and view it via the text viewer and scroll down to where you see the image source. Here in the image source, you will see the name of the file that it is pulling. So right now it is pulling from the lock background.png, and what you want to do is you want to change that to the lock background 2 if you want to add in the second background image. Make sure you have it spelled correctly, and then just save, and after a quick respring, you should have a different background image displayed on your lock screen theme. I hope you guys were able to follow those instructions. If not, leave any comments below and I'll be sure to answer them. Anyways guys, thanks for watching and be sure to subscribe to stay updated. Thanks guys.